Welcome back. I'm Carla and this is TexanTV Season 7.
Hi there. What?
Hey Texans, welcome back. We hope you had a great summer. I'm Carla and this is TexanTV Season 7. Woo! Hey Texans, please mark your calendars. Senior photos are September 3rd through 6th, 2019. Underclassmen photos are September 12th through 13th, 2019, and retake date is October 4th. And now here's our farewell spotlight on Mr. Cavazos. We love you, you're going to be missed, and remember, keep the Sam Side, Sam Pride spirit alive.
I'm really sad about leaving Sam. I love all the kids, I love the faculty, the families. When you hear Sam Fam, that's exactly how I feel. It's really a family, and it's hard to leave something that you love so much. A little selfish because I'm doing it for my career, so that hopefully one day I can come back and at least be considered for the principal job here at Sam. The relationships that I've built with students, with faculty. It's a bit emotional, but it's exciting at the same time. Families that text me, they can't believe I'm leaving. That's pretty exciting, to feel like you're making a difference. But if we're talking about that, what you would think is exciting as fun and you know, just being crazy like a lot of us think of exciting, it would be, first of all, I guess it was 5 years ago we did the Lip Dub, and then every year going to the soccer playoffs, announcing the games for the soccer team. The football, and I think it was 2014 we went to the playoffs. It's just so many things. All of it's exciting. I will definitely be at senior graduation. I don't think I'd make it till next year. I've had so many kids that say, you better go, you better go. So yeah, definitely I'll be there. And who knows, you may have some other administrators from Sam from the previous years, Mr. Brannon, Dr. Smith, Miss Marika Anderson, Mr. Benavides, that we'll all be in our own cheering section, cheering you guys on. So yeah, we'll be there. Yes, I could say that one of my proudest moments for the whole student body was when a few years ago there was an organized walkout. It really showed me that the kids of this day and age do care about other things than just themselves. It affected a lot of students. It was a huge walkout, and for the most part, it was peaceful. You always have your outliers, those that kind of mess it up for some, but the majority of you did exactly what was your intention was to get noticed. And I would say that it is something that is very American, but just always remember that people can get hurt, and if you ever do that, you've got to make sure that you are protected and that you're doing everything legally. So just very proud of our students, and we'll continue to be proud of them. And I can't wait to see everyone in graduation.
Students, teachers, and staff, it's homecoming week, and this year's theme is music through the decades. Be sure to show your spirit all week long by representing different decades and genres of music. Tuesday is 50s and 60s, Wednesday is 70s and 80s, Thursday is 90s, and Friday is 2000s. Make sure to show some school spirit. Voting for Homecoming Court will take place Wednesday, September 4th during all lunches. If you have any questions, please see Mr. Gilmore or any Stuco member. Good luck. Sam Houston Women's Wrestling Team is selling t-shirts to help them travel to Houston, Texas. See any wrestler to purchase a shirt or see Coach McNeese in room 519, first, second, or ninth period to purchase a shirt. Cost of shirts are $15 for sizes small through 2X large, $20 for sizes 3X large through 5X large. Make sure you support them and purchase one. And now here's our recap on our Friday night game. TexanTV Season 7 kicks off on Tuesday, September 3rd with the new time to watch, which is today, as you see. Take advantage of the 10 extra minutes in your first and seventh period to watch TexanTV on www.texantv.net. Want to make an announcement? We produce episodes on A-days. Please have your announcements shared with Mr. Pellerin or me the B-day before by noon. Email Mr. Pellerin your announcement with the information that you want to be announced. Please make sure to send it in a text/doc format so we can copy and paste it into our teleprompter. Be sure to include who, what, when, where, and why. And our quote of the day is, even though there are some things you would like to change from the past, there is a reason as to why the rear view is so small and the windshield is so big. Where you're headed is so much more important than what you've left behind. Those are all the announcements I have for you today. And remember, Texans, learners today, leaders tomorrow. I'm Carla, and this has been TexanTV.
Oh, gosh. I wasn't Oh, hey, guys.
Good morning!
Jeez, what an improvement. My office. Good morning, everyone.
We love so many.
We've been down here so long, we're like,
Who's gonna clean this stuff up?